Okay, folks, time to do the first free utility. First up to bat is going to be this tool here called Smart Defrag from a company called IOBit. We choose this one first because this one claims to do everything that Perfect Disk does, just as well as Perfect Disk does. With the only main difference between the two products being that this product is free and Perfect Disk is not. So if we actually pull up the website for this tool and pull up this comparison that they have on here, it's rather simplistic and rudimentary, but basically they say that Perfect Disk is essentially the best, but that theirs is equal and free. And if you look at their performance comparison, and by the way, no idea how they came up with these numbers, but I guess they're giving kudos to Perfect Disk here because they're saying they're just as fast as Perfect Disk. Once again, this tool is free. They even claim to reduce the number of fragments that will build up over time, which is something that Perfect Disk claims as part of their patented algorithm. So I'm not even sure if there might actually be some kind of infringement going on here. But what we can do is just actually compare the two products. So what we've done is we've restored the Great Wall, and we can analyze it here. Actually, we want to make sure that we're choosing the most aggressive settings here. So we've turned their silent stuff off, no auto stuff in the background, and we're choosing deep, but we're just going to analyze this here, and we're going to pull up Perfect Disk as well, and let it analyze the drive so that we can actually see here. It's the same drive in the exact same condition that it was in last time. And Smart Defrag will agree that that the drive is trashed. So what we'll do is we'll just close Perfect Disk and let this go ahead and just start. And there we go. So it turns out that this algorithm, this engine, is not equivalent to the Perfect Disk engine because it will not run, will not process this drive at all. It will just give up. We'll just try that again. And there we go, and as a control we can launch Perfect Disk again and show that there's no real good reason why this drive should not be processed. So there goes Perfect Disk analyzing the drive, which is pretty darn fast, and there it goes defragmenting the disk. So this pretty much shows, again, in this case, you're sort of, getting what you pay for, because once again, Perfect Disk will process this drive, but this free utility here will not. So this pretty much wraps it up for Smart Defrag. Simple, light little program. Again, maybe on a relatively healthy drive it will be able to run, but when you're talking about a commercial tool that goes beyond just file defragmentation to actually improve reading and writing throughput to the disk with a patented algorithm, obviously this is not a sufficient alternative. Because if that's what you want, if you want the best disk performance, obviously this tool This free tool here is not going to do it for you. So let's wrap this up and then just move over to the next free tool that's up to bat on the Great Wall, and that would apparently be JK Defrag version 3.36.